Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. Now, today we will start chapter 6th Integers. Chapter 6 Integers. We'll have some introduction and after that, exercise 6.1, question number 1 and 2. I'll show you. Introduction of Integers. Introduction of integers. So before knowing about the integers, you should have the knowledge about the natural numbers. So what are natural numbers here? All counting numbers are called natural numbers. Means if anything, if you want to count, we will start the counting from 1. We will start with from 0? No. We have to start it from 1 only. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the natural numbers. If we include 0 to the collection of natural numbers, we get the collection of numbers known as whole numbers. Means when 0 is added to the set of natural numbers, we get a set of whole numbers. So starting with the natural numbers, then we obtain the whole numbers. When 0 is added to the natural numbers. Now if we add something to the natural numbers, whole numbers, will get the set of integers. There are negative numbers also that exist. If we put the whole numbers and the negative numbers together, the new collection of numbers will look like this. That is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If you see here, minus 4 is the least one in the given collection. Means less than minus 4 also there exists a number. Means as we move from this side, the minus sign, the more the number, its value will be less. Like minus 5 is less than minus 4, minus 6 is less than minus 5, like that. So you will learn all this in the exercise questions. This collection of numbers is known as integers. In this collection, numbers above 0, that is 1, 2, 3 are said to be positive integers, and the numbers below 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 are said to be the negative integers. So here you will have a number line. So what is number line here? You see, it's minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are above 0 are positive and below 0 are the negative. The integers are represented on the number line in the following ways. So the numbers to the left are negative integers, while the numbers to the right of the 0 are the positive integers. It is important to understand here the order of integers. As we move to the right, the value of integers is increasing, and 6 is greater than 2. 2 is greater than 1 and 0 is greater than minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than 2 and so on. So therefore, minus 3 is less than minus 2, minus 2 is less than, minus 2 is less than what? Minus 1. Minus 2 is less than minus 1, and minus 1 is less than 0, and 0 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3 and so on. By looking at the number line, we can see that the integers lie between two integers, which the greater integer is. The number line also tells us how much we need to move in order to go from one integer to another. So you will understand this one. So this is about all about the description about the number line. Already I have discussed this one in the previous class. So hope it is clear to you. Try to remember everything. Question number 1. Question number 1, what it says? Write the opposite of the following. Increase in weight. So what is the opposite of increase? Decrease. 30 kilometers north. So what is the opposite of north? South. 80 meters east. East opposite is west. Loss. What is the opposite of loss? Loss of rupees 700 means gain of rupees 700. 100 meters above sea level. Above sea level means the opposite of above is below. So what is the solution here? The opposite of increase in weight is decrease in weight. The opposite of 30 kilometers north is 36 kilometers south. The opposite of 80 meters east is 80 meters west. The opposite of loss of rupees 700 is gain of rupees 700. The opposite of 100 meters above sea level is 100 meters below sea level. This is very simple. You will understand. Hope it is clear to you children. Opposite of plus sign is minus sign. Opposite of plus sign is minus sign. Question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with the appropriate signs. So here we are using the signs. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. So above means plus, below means minus. Okay, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meters below the sea level. Below means minus. A deposit of rupees 200. Deposit amount will be plus. We debit the withdrawal of rupees 700. It is withdrawal is minus. Okay. So what is the first one? An aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meters above the ground. So what it is? Plus 2000 meters. A submarine is moving at a depth of 800 meters below the sea level. So minus 800 meters. A deposit of rupees 200 plus 200. Withdrawal of rupees 700 minus 700. Hope it is clear to you children.